back in June, I did this video here, Sonata setup and building with CHERI Alliance. It's 22 minutes long. The first 5 minutes was just setting up the Sonata. That hasn't changed. What has now changed is everything after it. You're no longer going to take you 17 minutes. What's changed is that they have recently created this cheriot-template, first commit, and it just talks you through it. So without further ado, let's just do it, and the whole thing should be over much quicker. So I've got my WSL over here. Let's make that a little bit bigger. There we go. Okay, and you called it my project. I'm going to call it my project because I have no creativity. Coding into my project, done. I'm going to go into that like so, and then we need to do the submodule recursive. Honestly, we probably could have done a recursive on the Git clone, but never mind. The initial clone of this will take a little while, but not too long. There we go, nearly there. And done. Right, next thing we need to do is we need to run it in Visual Studio Code. So I'm going to launch code from the command line here. That will load. It's going to say, hey, this has got a container. Do you want to open it in that when it comes up? Yep, reopening container. It will create a container. I've got my Docker on another window that you can't see. So in a second, yep, it's just started another one up. There is a Hello World example. Yeah, everything else is hidden under third party. You don't need to see it. Well, let's create a new terminal. So we're in that now. We need to set the chariot tools. So again, this is all documented. I'm just going to cut and paste it. That one. So by default, it's going to build it on Sail. Sail is the simulator or the emulator that's built in. Xmake, yeah, so it's built it, and if we do Xmake run, that'll run it on the emulator, and all it does is print out hello world and then returns the success. Okay, so what about putting it on Sonata? Very, very similar. Let's do it again, but here on the end we're going to add the board BOARD equals Sonata. I'm going to do it for the 1.1 version. The current version is 1.3. But 1.1 works with everything up from 1.1. So we switched it to that. I do Xmake again. And I do Xmake run. And that's going to build 3 versions because if you remember the Sonata, you might not remember. But if you watch the original video, the Sonata can have 3 different projects on it. And so it's built those and it's put them into a folder, which I'm going to bring across over here in there, and I'm going to open Sonata. Right, so that's my Sonata serial port. So this is the one we've just built, called empty project, rather hilariously. We're going to copy it, we're going to drop it into there, it'll copy it across, hello world, and there it is. It's that simple.